Welcome to this video, where we will show you the appearance of return air louvers from various angles. Return air louvers are devices that allow air to flow back into the HVAC system after it has been conditioned and delivered to the space. They are typically installed on walls or ceilings, and can have different shapes, sizes, and colors depending on the design and function. In this video, we will focus on the appearance of return air louvers. First, let's take a look at this return air louver that is mounted on a wall. It has a rectangular shape and a white color, and it matches the wall paint. As you can see, the louver has horizontal blades that are spaced evenly and angled slightly downward. This allows the air to flow smoothly and quietly into the duct. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new about return air louvers.